Good morning, guys. This is Michael with Quiet Lawn. I hope you're doing well. My last video, ironically, was talking about how we were going to be going to EXPO and and not Landscape Summit. But I have to make this correction and say that I'm now going to boycott EXPO and I will not be there. Some of you guys brought it to my attention, and I saw it on a forum that they have changed their rules to not allow children to go to EXPO. They've always allowed kids. They stopped allowing kids under 16 in the outdoor area a couple of years ago. I've brought my 2-year-old before. I've never had the opportunity or he's 5 now, but I've never had the opportunity to bring my older son because he's always been in school since I started going. And the first year that I have the opportunity to bring him, they make this policy change to not allow kids under 12. So I will not be going to EXPO, unfortunately. I think that's a poor decision on the part of the people that run EXPO. Most of us, 99% of this industry is family businesses, and we want our families involved. And that week is a fun time to bring your family, bring your wife, have a good time, meet up with people and their families, and introduce your family to this industry. And it's very unfortunate that they made the decision to not allow kids or to move in that direction, which they've been moving in the last few years. And I hear the insurance excuses or whatnot, but I go to lots of trade shows, and there's kids at all of them. That's bull crap in my opinion. They just don't want kids there. It's for whatever reason. While that might be some liabilities, obviously a concern, but you have to weigh that against your customers and the people that you're trying to draw to your conference, which is, like I said, vast majority family-owned businesses, where the whole family is typically involved. So I will not be going. I think I'm going to try to regroup and go to Landscape Summit instead, and then I'll take my son somewhere where he's wanted that week. The week of EXPO, we'll go somewhere fun where they welcome families and kids. But I will not be at EXPO. I hate that I won't get to see some of you guys. I hope you have fun, but I don't plan on going back until maybe ever, but at least until they make this something that's welcoming to families. I'm not some rep for a company that's going to party while I'm up there. I'm going there to grow my business, have my family involved in that process. But sorry, guys, sorry for the mistake on the last video. I did not know about that policy change. I really appreciate you bringing it to my attention. I would have been really pissed off if I would have shown up and made plans and brought my son, and they stopped us at the door. Because this is not something that they've made us very aware of. Sent out messages about. They've allowed kids there for the last 40 years or however long they've been doing the show, and now all of a sudden it's a problem. So I'm glad that you guys brought it to my attention. I'm glad that somebody posted about it in the Facebook forum. But you guys have fun, and hopefully I'll see you at Landscape Summit or Lawncology or another conference. Sometime later this year. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.